Friends, neighbors, and friends, welcome back. I figured I would shoot a very quick video on the new Apple monitor. This is the new VESA mount Apple monitor that is just released. So this is the end of May of 2022 at the moment. I ordered this at the end of March when you first could get it, and here we are, just before Memorial Day weekend. So figured if any of you were looking at this monitor in the professional world, I'd show you what it looks like. So this is how it comes in a very nondescript cardboard box, which I appreciate for reasons of theft. So anyway, let's crack this thing open. Alright, so here's the box. Very, very cool. It has a really cool little fabric handle on the top there. So again, another little pull tab right there on the side. Let's get this guy opened. Okay, so here's the next phase of the packaging in here. They have this nice little lid divider up there. And then what you do to open it is you pull the sides out. So this is now the third Apple monitor that we've got in the series. So this is the VESA monitor. We have the standard tilt one that we got a few weeks ago. And the boxes are all the same. So let's get this opened. Okay, so here is the monitor, all nice and wrapped up. They've got a little accessory compartment below where you actually do get a USB-C cable. And then on the back, this is the power cable that's integrated. So let's open this up and I'll show you the back here. Alright, let's rip it open. So the power cable on these are black now. I have an old Retina display from 2012. Everything is that typical Apple molded white. Yikes. That seems overly complicated. I probably did something wrong though, to be fair. Okay, so this is the back of the monitor right here. This is the VESA mount, which is a really nice piece of machined aluminum. Again, like I said earlier, the power cable on this is black. You get one Thunderbolt and 3 USB-Cs. I don't know if those are all Thunderbolt, but there's only a Thunderbolt logo on one of them. So just as a comparison here, I do want to I have a Chief FTR1U mount. This is a standard mount that I keep in stock that I just want to see how that looks on the back of the monitor. So if you are looking for a VESA mount, that may be the one. So let's check that out. Cool. Okay, so here's the mount on the monitor. It is working without a problem, as I anticipated it probably would. But yeah, so if you're interested in the Apple monitor, there it is with the Chief FTR1U mount. And then here's just a quick unboxing video. So if anybody has any questions on the Apple monitor, just let me know. I'm deploying this into a system right now. So hopefully by the time I get this edited and posted, I will have more info on the monitor. So if you're shopping for the monitor and you want to know what the VESA monitor looks like, here you go. Feel free to ask any questions. Thanks for stopping by.